This is an installation guide video for SAFE-TECH Smart Vape Detectors, covering both the VXI and VMI models. Hestia app is required for device management and alert receiving. This video is divided into the following 4 sections. We recommend watching the entire video before proceeding with the pairing. Feel free to pause at any time to avoid missing any steps. Section 1. Key features and functions of the vape detectors. The VXI power switch is located on the back of the device. Press the square button to turn it on, and the green LED will flash, indicating that the device has been successfully activated. The device emits a beep to signal the start of the 2-minute warm-up, during which the red LED flashes once per second. Once complete, the green LED flashes once and the LED turns off. Attaching the back cover will automatically power on the detector. When connected to mains power, the 2 power indicator LEDs will remain continuously illuminated, indicating that power is being supplied. When mains power is disconnected, the 2 power indicator LEDs will turn off. The device will beep 4 times, and the green LED will flash 4 times simultaneously. Meanwhile, the Hestia app will display a warning indicating that mains power has been disconnected. Please note, do not block the temperature and humidity sensor. When the built-in backup battery is at low voltage, it emits a beep every 1 minute and blinks green once until it is connected to the external mains power supply. VMI has a power switch on its rear. Slide it from off to on to power on the device. The front green LED will flash, indicating that the device has been successfully activated. The device emits a beep to signal the start of the 2-minute warm-up, during which the red LED flashes once per second. Once complete, the green LED flashes once and the LED turns off. When connected to mains power, the green LED flashes every 5 seconds. When the mains power supply is removed, the device will beep 4 times, and the LED will flash 4 times simultaneously. Meanwhile, the Hestia app will display a warning indicating that mains power has been disconnected. When the built-in backup battery is at low voltage, it emits a beep every 1 minute and blinks green once until it is connected to the external mains power supply. For the device test, both VXI and VMI follow the same procedure. Press the test button once to test. The green and yellow LEDs will flash once, followed by the red LED flashing 4 times while emitting 4 beeps simultaneously, indicating normal operation. The vape detection test requires a vape detector, smartphone, and e-cigarette. Exhale the vape aerosol directly in front of the detector. The detector will trigger an alarm, with the red LED flashing rapidly. At the same time, a notification will be sent to the Hestia app on the connected smartphone, and the alarm will stop once the vape concentration is no longer at a level that triggers it. Through test button to disable sound. After powering on, the device enters the 2-minute warm-up phase. Then, press and hold the test button until the green LED flashes, then release it. The device will not emit sound, indicating that the sound has been disabled. Meanwhile, the app will receive a notification. To enable sound, in the same 2-minute warm-up state, press and hold the button until the green LED flashes, then release it. The device will emit a beep, indicating that sound mode is enabled. Meanwhile, the app will receive a notification. Through the Hestia app, to enable disable sound, when the device is connected to the network and the app, go to the settings and select sound mode to either disable sound or enable sound. When the sound mode is changed, the Hestia app will receive a notification. When the alarm is triggered, press the test button once to activate 10-minute silent mode. If the air quality improves during this period, the alarm will return to normal. Otherwise, the alarm will resume after 10 minutes. To reset the device, if the device is connected to the Hestia app, remove it by selecting Delete, followed by Disconnect and Wipe Data in the device settings. If the device is not connected to the app, simply turn off the power switch, wait for 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Both the VXI and VMI models are equipped with sensors to detect temperature and humidity levels. Only the VXI model supports carbon dioxide monitoring. When the carbon dioxide concentration exceeds a certain threshold, the notification will be sent to the Hestia app, with no sound or LED alerts, only an app notification. For the VMI model, the green LED flashes every 5 seconds when charging. If disconnected from the mains, the green LED will flash every 60 seconds. For the VXI model, the green LED flashes every 80 seconds when charging. If disconnected from the mains, the green LED will flash every 60 seconds. The red LED flashes rapidly with the alarm sound in the case of vape detection, high carbon monoxide levels, high PM2.5 levels, smoke detection, power disconnect, tamper detection. The yellow LED flashes to indicate a low battery or device fault. Each time you adjust the sensitivity through the app, the device will emit a corresponding number of beeps to confirm the change. Dusty room or high PM2.5 levels may also trigger the alarm. Please note, if the vape detector is not paired with the Hestia app, it will operate as a standalone unit. As it has a built-in lithium battery, the pairing process can be completed without mains power connected. Must paired before installation. Install the Hestia app from the App Store or Google Play and register an account if you have not done so already. Open the app, go to Home Management, and create a new home by entering a name and location. If you update the home information, the device can be shared with others. Turn on the vape detector. The device will enter a 2-minute warm-up mode. The device emits a beep to signal the start of the 2-minute warm-up, during which the red LED flashes once per second. Once complete, the green LED flashes once and the LED turns off. Select Add Device. Choose the right vape detector model. Select Easy Mode, then tap Next. Press and hold the test button on the device for approximately 5 seconds until the green LED flashes rapidly. The device will then enter pairing mode lasting 100 seconds. Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter the password and tap Next. Once successfully connected, the device green LED will be on for 2 seconds, then exit, and the app will confirm the connection. If failed, the red LED will be on for 2 seconds, then exits.